When I was younger, I didn't get mad.
That's when you get two lines. You can have a line like this and a line like that. Where they meet, that is called a solution. Where they intersect. Two lines. Now, if these lines never meet, that means they're parallel. That means there's no solution. So keep that in mind there. Yes, sir. If it's the same exact line, well, that means it's infinite solutions. I'd like to talk to you about something that's not equal, not an equation. It's not equal, it's not equation. They call it not equal, they call it inequalities. Okay, inequalities. That's a less than sign. Sir, how do I remember that? Here you go, right there, less. Okay, now you can't be spelling just. We ain't talking about just, we're talking about less. You gotta know your alphabet. All right, yeah, that's a less than sign, that's the greater than sign. And if you see this, shade, guess what? You guessed it, above. Shade above, okay? Shade above, greater than. Shade below, less than. If it's like this, or like this, the line is going to be dashed. If it's like this, or like this, the line is going to be solid. That's inequalities. When I was younger, I didn't get mad. Either way. So the graph of a quadratic function is a parabola, not a parabola. That'd be more like some kind of issue might have been going on. What we're saying is it's called a parabola. Right down the middle, that's symmetrical, and we call that the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is a vertical line, therefore it has to be x equals some number. Vertical line. Yep. Now, this point right here at the end, the highest or lowest point is known as the vertex. Okay, now, you got your vertex, got your axis of symmetry. The name is called a parabola. The equation is written in ax squared plus bx plus c. This number tells you if it opens up or down and how wide or narrow it is. This one gives you horizontal change back and forth, and this one is your y-intercept, shifts it up and down. Okay, let's say you got your parabola on the graph. Well, fine. This point right here and this point right here are known as zeros or x-intercepts. Okay, or you can even call them, these x-intercepts have another 9 sometimes, they call them solutions. Could also be known as solutions, or x-intercepts, or zeros. Okay? Now,
when I was younger, I didn't get mad.